Hey guys, welcome to the homestead. So today we're going to talk about my solar powered Rife machine. And so a lot of you guys have asked questions about some of the different things we're doing for Jaimie's treatments. And the Rife machine was something that came highly recommended to me by others. And when I checked it out, there was a lot of options out there. We'll talk about that. But also there was a lot of great testimonies about this type of technology and the people who have benefited from it. So it was something that I definitely sought out to use and found a great company. I want to share that company with you today and show you the product. So let's go take a look. So down there is one of our wall outlets in the house, and you guys know that we are on solar power. So this is my solar powered Rife machine. All of our electricity here is provided by solar. And so we run a number of things in the house on that. Now, most of the time we use lantern light for lighting, but other things like blender or juicing, we juice a lot for Jaimie as well, all on solar power. We charge our laptops, our cell phones. So this video is being recorded by a recorder that was powered by our solar panels. And so likewise, our Rife machine is powered by solar panels. This one is from Rife Laboratories, also known as JWLABS. They're a U.S. company made in the USA, which is really important. One of the things I discovered when I was looking for research on Rife machines is that there are a number of them that are made overseas, like in China and other places that you're just not sure about the quality of them. They have mixed reviews, and this was a company that I felt a lot better about because they are made in the USA. They have an entire team here on staff that helps you, coaches you. So that just made me feel like it was money well spent, or just a better overall product when I know that everything is based here. And so anyway, this is my machine. It comes with a number of leads. You can use two at once. A lot of our treatments that Jaimie uses is just one at a time. And so she'll put these on her palms. And there's different ways you can use these. That comes with coaching that the staff at JWLABS provides. So you can learn all about that once you get the machine, and they'll walk you through all of the different possibilities. And then it comes with pH strips, this electrode gel that you can use for better contact with your pads. This is also important. These are carbon pads. I'm told carbon. We haven't used these yet, but we're going to be using these in the treatments probably starting today that Jaimie's going to be doing. So we received some new instructions from JWLABS to be using these carbon pads for some of her treatment. This is also a transfer cable. I guess that's for transferring tracks that you can get in other places on the device. I'm not sure on that. They'll have more information on the website. And then this is a charging cable. It's a USB charging cable that you use to charge your device. It is battery operated, so you don't need to be hooked up to use it. But when I charge it from our solar panels, I just plugged it into here and then plug it into my wall outlets. So I turn it on. It's in a tiny Pelican case. Pelican cases are pretty cool. I've always liked Pelican cases. Makes it waterproof, or at least water resistant, I guess. I guess Pelican cases are waterproof. And it's a touch screen. So all you gotta do is touch it, and then you can go into, let me zoom in here. You can go into the screens, and I have favorites. Right there, cancer. And right there. So these are the different tracks for the cancer tracks. Right now we're concentrating on track 2 and 3, doing different amounts of time for each. And so you just click on what you want to start and hit play, and then it plays it. And then you adjust here the amplitude until you get to a point where it feels maybe just a bit uncomfortable, but point to where you can handle it. It goes up, I think it turns like 10 times, so you can get a lot of amplitude out of that. And then you can reverse polarities. You have the places where you plug in your different electrodes. So one will plug in here, and then the other will plug in here. And that's how that works. And so, yeah, we've been using this now for a few months. And again, we attribute this to one of the reasons why Jaimie has had so far amazing success. Her doctor said that she's had some really good healing that he has not seen before. And could this be one? We're doing a lot of things. Could this be one of them? I would think so. One of the reasons why we've had such great results. So this is something we use on a pretty regular basis, and we're going to be continuing to use it. And a lot of you guys have asked about it. I got a lot of emails. In fact, I got an email just the other day. Zach, when are you going to do a video on the Rife machine? Well, here it is. So I think the thing I wanted to drive home was, and just kind of inform everybody, when you're out looking for a Rife machine, look for a company that has done a lot of research, has been in business for a long time. The Wright Laboratories have been making Rife machines since the 1980s here in the U.S. There are a number of companies out there that have kind of fly by night, and they're springing up because this is gaining in popularity. Rife technology is gaining in popularity. It's being talked about by, some of the big documentaries that are out there when talking about cancer and other illnesses. And so it's gaining in popularity. So there's a lot of people, a lot of companies springing up who don't have a lot of history. They haven't been in business a long time. They don't have a reputation yet. And they're giving a lot of cheap products, very, very affordable products. And I'm one of those people. I like a good deal, but I also like getting what I paid for. I don't like buying crap. And so if I can spend the extra money to get something that I know will work, then that's what I'll do. An American-made company, American product, and they're staffed here in America. So that's what I like about these guys. So if you're out there looking for a Rife machine, you want to know more about it, there is a website called rifemachine.com, and it's mostly a research website, and you can learn all you want about Rife technology, Dr. Rife himself, how he developed the technology, just a lot of great history about it. And then JWLABS.com is the website where you can go to look at pricing and information on these devices itself. Check out one of those two websites. If you don't know anything about Rife machines, rifemachine.com is a great place to start. And then JWLabs.com is the place if you want to actually start shopping and looking at their products. So check that out. People have been asking about it. Jaimie's been using it, and I have no complaints so far. And looks good to me. Leave a comment below. If you have a Rife machine, leave a comment. I want to hear what you think about it and just what your experience was. If you have one of these Rife machines, leave a comment below. I want to hear about it and see what your experience is. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on An American Homestead. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in homesteading or off-grid living, this is the channel for you. Livestock, solar power, gardening, food preservation, and so much more is available in our videos. Subscribe today and check out our Patreon page over at patreon.com/AnAmericanHomestead. And before you go, please check out these other great homesteading videos. Go ahead, click on them. I'll wait.